That couch opens up again. That was pretty neat.
Around.
A lot easier than the other style where you have to lift up the cushion and pull the whole thing forward. That's pretty neat. Nice shape too. Got a register vent built into the front of it. Pretty plush. So far we figured out the only thing they really tore up was insulation that they found and the mattress pad that was on top of the mattress. So all the cushions in here are fine and the mattresses are fine, which is amazing to me. So I tell you, this has been one blessing after the next. And we found a surprise underneath the bed. There's 2 solar panels under there. I don't know if they work. They look like they're homemade. It looks like somebody's DIY project, which is pretty cool because you guys know I'm into that kind of stuff. Just trying to get it all cleaned out now. We're going to get a cord ran over here so we can start vacuuming as soon as we get all the big stuff out. It's cleaning up really nice. I got all the scat out of the kitchen. Nice microwave. Magic Chef. Just like we put in that's a Magic Chef too. It's a really nice Norcold refrigerator. We found all the door shelves for it. We got one more basket for the bottom that's outside yet. Tina's vacuuming. Starting to look better. Lily's already chillaxing on the couch. Starting to look a lot nicer.
Cause it's big and big.
What do you think of it so far, DJ?
Well, I think it's in pretty dang good condition considering we yet found another free camper on Craigslist. This one's a lot better condition than the other one was.
Yeah, we can actually use this one for a camper.
Right.
Not too much work needs to be done.
Just cleaning her up and getting some stuff out here to...
This couch is awfully comfortable, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's cool.
I like
how it folds out.
It's really getting clean in there.
Just scary.
Everybody's chipping in. Still got the old control panel up there. Shows your water level, battery level, everything.
I need some more stuff sticking down.
They are moving the camper with the Boland's tractor. Where's Lily? They're going to be backing it up now. Get out of the way.
Daddy.